We want to kill that rag, that old towel. We want to kill it. Run back and forth. Run back and forth. Oh my. Hey, cut it out. You're being hateful. Gosh, these guys are getting so active. There goes the broom. Puppy puppies! You hear the washing machine running all the time every time I videotape. Because it is running all the time. There's so many dogs here. We wash laundry 2 or 3 loads a day. At least one a day. Today's been 2 or 3. Come on! Come on, puppies! What are you doing? Go under the sink. Where's your brother? Get out from under there, Mozart. Mozart. Come on. Come on. Come on, Mozart. You silly thing, you. Oh boy, I'm out of there now. Now what are you guys doing? Since that's where we had our bath yesterday. Mom put us in there and we had a bath. Come on, you guys. Really? All right, no, that's enough of that. Getting the curtains and getting into everything. Just destruct everything. Okay, we'll just put that in there for now. Just wanting to be destructive. I just want to check everything out. Come on, puppies. Come on. Little girl, come on. Hey, quit biting my pant leg, you ninny. Ouch! Mozart! Good, I'm grabbing my pant leg. This is what you all have. Ouch! Little shit. Biting me in the leg. Hey, cut it out. Hi, honey. Yes, you're just a stinker. Yes, just a little devil dog. Yes, puppies are little devils. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. I know you are. Ouch. You gonna bite the camera? You gonna bite the camera? Really? I know you are, you silly thing. Yes. You're rotten. You're just rotten. No. You're not chewing on that strap. Hey. Hey. Quit. Oh, gosh. Oh. Fence fighting at an early age. Hey, quit tackling her down. You okay, Willow? Hey, Dee. I'm sorry. You're where?